Welcome to Tea and Coffee Explorers. Today we're diving into the world of tea blends, creating your own signature mix. Blending teas is an art form that lets you customize flavors to suit your palate. It's all about finding the perfect balance. Start with a good base: black, green, white, or oolong tea. Each base offers a unique flavor profile, setting the stage for your blend. Next, add herbs like mint for a refreshing touch or chamomile for a calming effect. Don't be afraid to experiment with spices. A hint of cinnamon or a sprinkle of cardamom can add warmth and depth. Fruits and flowers are perfect for a sweet, aromatic blend. Try adding dried berries, orange peel, or rose petals to elevate your mix. Remember, the key to a great blend is balance. Start with small quantities, taste as you go, and adjust to your liking. Come along as we continue our quest for the perfect brew, only on Tea and Coffee Explorers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your unique tea blend creations in the comments. Happy blending!